Mega loud shout out to everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ethel again. Mega loud shout out around the world. For today's video, guys, what are these foods not to refrigerate? Let's all find out, guys. Join me, guys, until end. Let's go. 10 foods not to refrigerate. Are you making this common kitchen mistake? Some foods actually lose their taste, texture, and even nutrients when refrigerated. In today's video, we'll reveal 10 everyday foods you should never store in the fridge and the right way to keep it fresh. Stay tuned because you might be ruining your groceries without even realizing it. Here are 10 foods you should never refrigerate and the reasons why. Number 1, food that we should not put in the fridge. Tomatoes. The cold breaks down their natural sugars, making them mealy and bland. Number 2, bananas. Refrigeration halts ripening and can cause the skin to turn black. The third food that we should not put in the fridge, potatoes. Cold temperatures turn starch into sugar, affecting taste and texture. The fourth food that we should not put in the fridge, onions. Most environments cause them to become mushy and moldy. Number 5, garlic. Refrigeration can cause sprouting and alter its natural flavor. The sixth food, honey. The cold makes honey crystallize and harden, making it difficult to use. The seventh food that we should not put in the fridge, bread. Storing bread in the fridge speeds up staining instead of preserving freshness. The 8 food that we should not put in the fridge. Avocados. If they're unripe, the fridge will slow down the ripening process. Number 9. Olive oil. Refrigeration can make it solidify and develop a cloudy consistency. Number 10, the last one, coffee. Storing coffee in the fridge exposes it to moisture, affecting its aroma and taste. Did any of these foods surprise you? Let me know in the comments below. Have you been storing any of these foods in the fridge without realizing it? Don't worry. Now you know the right way to keep them fresh. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family and help them avoid these common food storage mistakes. And if you love learning about food, health, and kitchen tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay informed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep your food fresh and your kitchen smart. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel here is signing off.